There are an estimated 60 million refugees in the world today, and half of these are children. We see many of them coming with only the clothes they are wearing and what they can carry in one small bag.
بيتنا احنا بسنجار قعدوا بيه الداعش. قعدوا بيه واخذوه كأنما يعني واحد هيجي اخذ قطعة من قلبك، يعني ما تقدر تحكي. يعني بيتنا ببرطلة راح، والبيت بسنجار راح، والحال يعني ما ظلنا كل مكان احنا. يعني شو يسوي واحد؟ يعني ينتهي بهاي الحالة، ما يظل يعني بعد معيشة.
As members of the church, we don't have to look back far in our history to reflect on times when we were refugees, violently driven from homes and farms over and over again.
طيب برمان ماده هنرار درمان راوته گجه برمان حکومت دشمنی کل گجه برمان حکومت هنرار یان گوتنو ده کریا گوته دو کو در بعد تایمر فوین داره الان فرانیاری میلیشه ماده فوین داره الان فرانیاری پیشیچا گوتنو ده آسه آهان.
The Savior knows how it feels to be a refugee. He was one. As a child, Jesus and his family fled to Egypt to escape the murderous swords of Herod. And at various points in his ministry, he found himself threatened and his life in danger, ultimately submitting to the designs of evil men who had plotted his death. It is all the more remarkable to us that he repeatedly taught us to love one another, to love as he loves, to love our neighbor as ourselves. Truly pure religion and undefiled before God and the Father is this: to visit the fatherless and widows in their affliction, and to look to the poor and the needy and administer to their relief, that they shall not suffer.
يوم الحادث كان أصعب يوم بحياتي. يعني هيك أول ما انصبت يعني ما عاد عرفت إنه ما عاد يعني أمشي، عرفت. هلا أنا أملي بالله يعني كبير. بتمنى كمان من يلي عم يشوفوني يساعدوني.
The reality of these situations must be seen to be believed. It's been inspiring to witness what church members from around the world have generously donated to help these individuals and families who have lost so much. The church has provided shelter and medical care. Stakes and missions have assembled many thousands of hygiene kits. Other stakes have provided food, water, clothing, waterproof coats, bicycles, books, backpacks, reading glasses, and much more. The possibilities for us to lend a hand and be a friend are endless. Begin on your knees in prayer. Then think in terms of doing something close to home, in your own community, where you will find people who need help in adapting to their new circumstances. Like countless thousands before them, this will be a period, we hope a short period in their lives. Some of them will go on to be Nobel laureates, public servants, physicians, scientists, musicians, artists, religious leaders, and contributors in other fields. Indeed, many of them were these things before they lost everything. This moment does not define them, but our response will help define us. Millions of refugees worldwide, whose stories no longer make the news, are still in desperate need of help. You might help resettle refugees, learn their host country language, update their work skills, or practice job interviewing. You could offer to mentor a family or a single mother as they transition to an unfamiliar culture, even with something as simple as accompanying them to the grocery store or to school. Some wards and stakes have existing, trusted organizations to partner with, and according to your circumstances, you can give to the Church's extraordinary humanitarian effort. Verily I say unto you, inasmuch as ye have done it unto one of the least of these my brethren, ye have done it unto me.